Welcome back to Interglobal MTB. This video is about a work trip to Montana in which I took all my bike gear and went to Big Sky Bike Park, rented a bike, and had loads of fun. The way this worked out was gather up all the people in Houston, fly them to their undisclosed location, and rather than leave the airplane in a strange, uninhabited airport for 4 or 5 days, we took off empty, flew over the mountains and dipped on into Bozeman, put the airplane away, and made our way to Big Sky. Accommodations I kind of made hastily. Ended up at the Whitewater Inn, which is a great centralized base of operations if you're in the area doing all of the things that it has to offer. Camping, river rafting, canoeing, kayaking, and the like, and of course mountain biking. But the room was kind of weird. It was like a weird little table and little fridge, and there was this weird hot tub in the middle of the room. Not sure what the idea was behind that, but yeah. Big Sky Resort, beautiful place. I rented a bike and did some riding, so it was awesome. So I will roll the montage and you can check it out for yourself. Made it to Big Sky. Gonna go up Ram Charger and warm up a bit here. Got this DH bike. Tires are worn out. Suspension is definitely not set up right. But I'm not here to kill myself either, so. Okay, here we go. First run, Snake Charm. First run of this place. Get a little warm up going, because I have no clue. Of course, I've never ridden this bike either, so there's that. So far, feeling pretty charmed. Y'all have fun? Definitely fun. Been a while since I've been at 8,800 feet. Pretty awesome. What is this? Snake Charmer up. Not sure what I just did. Yeah, get back on Snake Charmer. Oops. Just did Snake Charmer. That was a pretty good, easy warm-up. It was fun. It had a lot of jumps in it, which is fine, but I'm not a big jumper. I don't know. I've probably never heard me say that before, but yeah, that's the case. So that was a good warm-up. Good trail. Now we're gonna hit the tech stuff. I don't know, one of the many I have on my list. So let's see which one it is. Soul hole. Alright, first time on this thing. Kind of hard to read the signs when you're... I have no idea what's going to happen, fellas. Well, a little to no idea. Yeah, it's like these brakes pads are... they're just not biting. The elbow. Oh, back on soul hole. This is some good stuff, man. I didn't mean to sweat you.
No, you're all good. Is it just you?
Yeah, just me, I think. This is pretty awesome, I must say. This way? Yep. Just doesn't sound good. Damn, that's awesome, man. Jeez. Yeah, having to use 2 fingers on the rear brake simply because the leverage and power are just not adequate. That could be easily tuned, but it's a rental. So far, the DH bike, the demo, pretty awesome. Again, could be tuned better for me, but it's a rental. Yeah, that's the only reason. Not sure if I should have gone that way. Yeah, well, when in doubt, keep going down. What's
nice
up?
Arm pump, that's good.
So it starts with just a little double, pretty easy, just roll in, you'll clear it. You can take the smaller lip on the right, you still need a good amount of speed, and those are pretty much just trail speed.
Ninja marmot. Shit, that dude boosted. Yeah, those are like rad dudes. Yeah, should have not gone on this one. I'm not a jumpy dude. That was out of my league to go that fast. Yeah, so far so good. This place is really awesome. Really awesome. You know, it's got some really big, smooth, awesome jump lines. I could learn to do that stuff and go through all of the work involved and take those hits of learning the hard way, but you know, I don't need to do that. In other words, you know, I'm too much of a pussy. But I love the tech they have here. All right, we're gonna make our way to Jacob's Ladder now. It's like a roller coaster. Crazy. Jacob's Ladder. Oh god. Dude, this is steep. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is fully vert, dude. Holy shit. God, dude, that was insane. Oh my God, dude. What am I doing? Oh shit, I'm dead. An airplane to fly tomorrow. Holy crap, dude. That's probably the steepest thing I've ever done. Oh my gosh. This is cool. Damn, bro. Look at this. This is riding down the side of a mountain. Awesome, man. Oh yeah, you gotta push up this thing. Oh, carajo. I'm ready for lunch. Oh my gosh. All right, before I jump on the airlines and head back to Big Sky, I'm gonna bring a pair of brake pads with me because the ones on the rental bike, of course, suck. And put those on there secretly so I don't have to use 2 fingers on the brakes. So scuff them up a little bit and put these brake pads on, and hopefully I can go back to using the normal 1 finger. So let's go back to Big Sky.
We'd like to be the first to welcome you to Bozeman. The local time is 8:53 p.m. We hope you enjoy your time in Bozeman or wherever your travels take you, and if this is home, welcome home.
How the hell do you start this car? They were fresh out of Corollas. Anyway, back here. We got new brake pads to put in this baby. Even got the shock pump to tune the fork a little bit, because last time I just rode it. And I've got an air gauge so I can actually fine tune my tire pressures. We're gonna dial this baby a little bit. Back for another day, and this one has new brake pads on it, so it'll be okay. All right, we're here with Brad, originally from the Washington area, and we're gonna hit some trails. We're on our way up for the first warm-up of the day. What do you think?
Happy hooves, get started, warmed up.
The
Nice
yeah.
little blue flow. Good berms in there, some nice little floaters, little booters. If you want to warm up, you can take Trapper, or we call it Shermanator, and that's a single black tech trail off of Happy Hooves.
Nice, yeah.
And that's a pretty rowdy trail. It's usually like not first lap trail.
Yeah.
Oh, you ready to go?
Let's do it.
Hell yeah.
I'm following you, man. Holy shit, these tires are worn out.
Dude, hell yeah.
Back up at the top, time to do Soho.
Yeah, buddy, you ready?
Yep. God, I have no grip. Holy shit. Steepage!
Yeah, dude. That's awesome, man.
Dude, I seriously have no grip in the front, but...
Oh, yeah, it's bad. All right, well, you guys have a great...
What you think?
Well, we could do that. There's some good blacks over here. You keep liking the tech.
Yeah, that was
Can
fun.
do that. So,
Yeah.
all right, let's see what we can find.
Noink. No grip on the front tire. Here we go. Yeah, no grip in the tires whatsoever. Front and rear, completely fucking. Shit. No grip in the tires. Maybe I should have took that as a sign.
Oh, man. You good, dude?
I think I might have bruised some ribs, so
Oh.
I'm gonna ride a little bit and see how it feels, but I'm
Next one of
definitely
those
gonna feel
trees.
that tomorrow. Well, I guess I can keep going. I don't know. Yeah,
This is Yogi's.
that's some gnar, dude.
Dude, right? Watching guys go down this A-line is... And the video makes it look.
Yeah, the GoPro factor, it doesn't
No.
look steep at all.
If you catch this trail after it's rained, oh,
You got it, yeah.
it pours, and then you go. It's the best riding ever. After.
What?
It's
Yeah.
called Vine.
V-I-N-E.
Yeah, like the old. You know, it was like used to like Vines.
Yeah,
like
those
TikTok.
stupid vines, yeah.
Yeah, because the trail's 7 seconds long. So.
Well, that definitely hurt. Wadanga.
You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, shit. I really don't need to crash again.
There we go.
Awesome.
Dude, that's such a fun one.
And I'm harboring a little paranoia now that I just crashed.
Oh, dude, I bet.
Yeah, it's a little sore. I just gotta not pull or push too hard on it. So here's my front tire.
Where you at?
Pretty bald. No grip. Well, unfortunately, that was gonna do it for the day. I've got a bruised rib or muscle or something. No way I can keep going, so it was fun while it lasted. I need to heal up for the next one. So, hope you enjoyed the show. That was a lot of fun. Too bad I crashed into a tree. I guess my takeaway from that is don't hit a tree. Don't ride with bald, worn out tires. But other than that, it's pretty fun. So, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. You know, when I was a small boy, I picked up a bicycle and rode it. Then I never came home. Only first world problems exist here. Except for what? It's a crosswalk. Oh, this is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. Grab one of these signs, you hold it as you walk across the street, and when you get across, you put it back over here. I hope I don't fall in. Well, Richard, what do you think so far about the environment?
So far, it's cool, man.
I don't know where I am right now. This is pretend.